The creature that does not walk in the right way, its name is human creature. The creature that, even if it is educated, does not follow the right path, even if it becomes the head of the UN, WHO, or the head of state or education, health, ICDS, is called human creature. And ordinary people have nothing to say. Premature disease in every home around the world and billions of poor middle class disabled, premature death, unemployment, crime, many children, addiction, lack of beauty, and corona. Problems can be solved in an instant. Money, health, intelligence, success, education, beauty, happiness, peace, and respect can be arranged. But around the world, the UN, WHO, heads of state, education, health, ICDS heads, and ordinary people are actually sleeping with oil on their noses, like King Nero. The country is on fire, and King Nero is playing the guitar on the roof. 4 things that ruin human life. If wrong in birth control, not having children according to financial capacity, child care, and care of pregnant women. There are many misconceptions in the market about birth control. What people believe does not work. People face many children or abortions. As a result, poverty, unemployment, premature disease, premature death, addiction, etc. come down. Therefore, if you want to move forward in Kali Yuga, this era, you must watch our birth control video. Kali Yuga, this era is confusing, false, and wizard. So don't believe the words of others. There is confusion in the market about the exact number of children. As a result, people are getting involved in financial and various backwardness. You would not find the solution even if you die after falling into the trap. So check out our video, which is right, 1 child or 2 children, in advance. People are applying old methods in child care. The Department of Education, Health, ICDS never does its own thing. So people are forced to take the path of lies. Watch our child care video today. Similarly, education, health, and ICDS departments around the world have locked mouths about pregnant care. So disabilities and other human problems are being created. Billions of dollars spent on education, health, ICDS systems around the world, and staffing have become a real waste. The speeches of our videos could be given in these systems. Professional education could be given so that people can eat and wear. But these idiots always do useless work perfectly, but when it comes to work, they run away with tails rolled up. Full of premature disease and millions of poor, middle class, disabled, premature death, unemployment, crime, many children, addiction, lack of beauty and corona, and lack of money, health, intelligence, success, education, beauty, happiness, peace, and respect all over the world. The cause of these are solely responsible for the irresponsible policy making of education, health, and ICDS. And so that no one's money and health is lost, and money and health can be taken home in large quantities, we have created www.avatarreligion.com. Please download from the Play Store our Bangla app Adult Education. And watch our videos in Avatar Religion YouTube channel today. Beware Kali Yuga, this era is a lie and misleading. It will only lead you in the wrong direction by giving misinterpretation. Live the Vijay attitude. Stop talking too much. No Bhagavan, Allah, God will come down. Be careful. Beware of politics full of cannabis and spoiled, and religion which is forced to follow blindly. But no one will put these things in your stomach. Genuine information is being brought to you at your fingertips. Even after this, if you turn your head from side to side, it is your own fault. Let's start with today's discussion on pregnancy care. If the care of the pregnant woman is scientific, then the future of the child will be mature. The physical and mental growth will be right, will be talented, intelligent, healthy, beautiful. And if the care of the pregnant woman will not be right, then physical and mental health will not be right and may enter to premature disease, poor, middle class, disabled, premature death, unemployment, crime, many children, addiction, lack of beauty, and corona. If the pregnant woman is ill, the baby may not be of good quality, so it is important to get well fast. In the same way, if you take medicine, you will not get a better quality baby. So caution is needed. At this time, the child may be disabled by eating herbs. Pregnant weight 1120 gram in the first trimester, 3,500 gram in the second trimester, and 6,500 gram in third trimester. A total weight of 11 kg should be increased. This is the case with Indians. In your country, you can get the pregnant weight chart at the nearest health center. What to eat? 10 glasses of water, eggs, milk, 1 spinach per day. Lots of vegetables, lots of fruits. Fennel after eating helps the food be digested, and there is no shortage of mother's milk. A little lemon juice during meals help in absorbing the inner quality of food. Beware of misleading information. Drinking too much water will make the child cold. These are just cannabis thoughts. It is important for a normal body to consume 10 glasses of water every day. Eating a green coconut or 2 of oranges every day gives a fair, beautiful child. Even during pregnancy, many problems are relieved. Salt should contain iodine. Health or Anganwadi workers can check if there is iodine in the salt or not. Almost all the food value is lost by drinking tea or coffee within 2.5 hours before and after of any quality food. Do not do an X-ray at this time. The child will be disabled. Pregnant women do not need to have ultrasonography if they are healthy, strong, tall, weight. For those who have a past history, have had abortions, are ill, short, underweight, etc., it is necessary to know the condition of the baby by ultrasonography. It does some harm to the baby's brain. Nowadays, many doctors are abusing it for money. That is, they are harming the baby by doing ultrasonography to a normal pregnant woman. Even if it is a minor illness, seek the help of a good doctor or local health worker. Otherwise, there may be an unwanted abortion. If there is slight bleeding, visit the doctor. Otherwise, there may be an unwanted abortion. Get the delivery done at a hospital, nursing home, or doctor, not at home, because for some wrong at this time the child may be disabled. For example, during delivery the baby defecates in the mother's womb. If you cannot get out quickly, then the child may become mentally disabled. Moreover, if the baby stays in the mother's womb for extra time after the labor pains, the baby may become disabled due to lack of oxygen. So if you have labor pains, you have to go under the doctor immediately. No one should smoke next to a pregnant woman. Also, if a pregnant woman drinks alcohol or takes any other drugs, herbs, she may have an unwanted miscarriage or the baby will be inferior. If a pregnant woman gets 8 hours of sleep at night and 2 or 3 hours of sleep in a daytime, then the growth of the baby becomes normal. Light work has to be done except heavy. If you don't do any work, normal delivery may not happen. Many die of tetanus at this time. That's why you must take the first tetanus toxoid injection as soon as you know that the baby is in the womb, and the second after 1 month. If you become pregnant again within 3 years of taking the aforementioned tetanus toxoid injection, take only TT booster injections at 35 weeks or 245 days. The rest is not needed. During that time, many pregnant women are deficient in iron. Therefore, if you know that the baby has come into the womb, you should take 1 iron folic tablet every night for 100 days. However, if you have anemia, you have to eat twice a day for 100 days. Subscribe today to our Avatar Religion YouTube channel. If you know more, please inform in the comment box.